Sawadika! Hi everyone, welcome to ShitMendyCooks kitchen. And today I'm going to show you my kitchen and my fridge. For the last few months, Ben and I, we have stored a lot of food, we buy a lot of ingredients, and it's full in our fridge because we're scared that we're not gonna have enough food. And today it's time for us to clean all the food in our fridge because next week we are going to the south of Thailand and we don't want to waste food. So let's go to the fridge and see what's in there. Let's go! Ooh. Here. Last week it was my anniversary and my boyfriend took me to the east coast of Thailand called Rayong to visit the fruit farm, and they have the best seafood there. So we bought a lot of seafood and I just realized that we have scallops. We bought the scallop and then I just clean everything and then I freeze them. So we're gonna cook scallop. We have holy basil leaf or Krapao and chili and garlic. We have like a roasted chili, dry chili, and small chili. This is the spicy one, and Thai garlic, really small. We're not gonna peel this because you can eat the shell. And today I'm going to cook Pad Kaprao scallop. So first I'm gonna defrost the scallop. So I'm going to put it in a microwave. While we wait for the scallop, we're going to powder chili. I come back. So I'm ready to cook now. I put my apron on and I'm ready to start. So I'm going to put the chili. Holy basil, I'm going to take only the leaves and the flower. The flower is delicious and give a lot of aroma taste. So we got the Krapao leaf and I'm going to clean it quickly. And I'm going to slice the chili. And kaffir lime, I'm going to break it by holding the center and use your finger to remove the leaf out of the center part. Right. And in the meantime, our scallop is ready. Time to play with the fire!
Alright.
Fish sauce, oyster sauce, and soy sauce. Okay. We're going to use 3 of these ingredients, and together with Krapao, kaffir lime, scallop, and chili, and the prepared chili here. Let's get started. Put your pan on medium-high heat and 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. And after that, you put prepared chili. Smells so good. And next, we're going to put the scallop. 1 teaspoon of fish sauce. Oh, sorry, half teaspoon of fish sauce and half teaspoon of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce. Oh my god! And maybe a little bit of water. Maybe 1 tablespoon of water. I'm telling you. And we're going to put kaffir lime, Krapao leaf. I like it a lot. I'm gonna put all. For the chili, if you like spicy, you can put a lot. If you can't eat spicy, you just put less. And chili. Okay, this is cooked. There. I turn off the heat and it's time for the decoration. Now we have the scallop and look what I kept. It's a scallop shell. I knew I'm going to use it one day, so I just cleaned it and then I'm going to put the Pad Kaprao scallop on it. So let's see, I'm going to show you how to do the decoration. Come closer, please. There you go. Here is my Pad Kaprao scallop. Look how beautiful. And now, time to eat. Have one rice, please. If you have scallop or beef, chicken, or any kind of meat, even tofu, you can make this recipe. I'm telling you, this is one of my favorite Pad Kaprao. See you on the next video. Bye.